Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to view saved passwords on Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Autofill and Passwords. On this page, click on Google Password Manager. Under Password section, you can find a list of all the websites whose passwords are stored in Google Chrome. To view the password, click on the name of the website. Now enter your PC password and click OK to proceed. To view the password, click the eye icon in the password field. As you can see, password is visible now. Similarly, you can view other websites' passwords. This is how you can view saved passwords on Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.